How to get whiter teeth? Let's go. Tip number 1, go get a cleaning. Most of the time, the surfaces of your teeth accumulate a lot of plaque and a lot of stains over time. And these stains can sometimes be easily removed with a cleaning with an ultrasonic scaler. And so if you go to your dentist, your hygienist will be able to take off some of the stains, such as coffee stains or wine stains, with an ultrasonic scaler. Another option is to incorporate a whitening toothpaste into your regimen, and these whitening toothpastes have a higher level of polishing particles inside the toothpaste. What that does is it helps you remove the stains readily so that those stains do not stay on the surface of your teeth. However, these toothpastes may be a little bit more abrasive than usual, so it may cause sensitivity, and it's not usually recommended for people who have severe recession. The third option is whitening strips. Whitening strips have a little bit of peroxide in them, and the peroxide is a bleaching agent. The peroxide helps lighten the color of the tooth. Because it is a chemical bleaching process, it may cause a little bit of sensitivity, but the degree of sensitivity varies from person to person. The fourth option is to go to your dentist and make a custom tray that you can have on at night. They will give you a whitening gel to put into the tray, and you will be able to sleep with it so that you can have that bleaching process for longer. These gels typically have more peroxide in them than the over-the-counter strips. And so these do work a little bit more effectively, but it may cause sensitivity as well. Your fifth option is to go to your dentist and get an in-office bleaching. This actually has the highest amount of peroxide and will have the most dramatic effect. However, you may feel sensitivity after this as well, and so you should consult your dentist to see if you are a candidate for in-office bleaching or not. One word of caution is to not over-bleach your teeth. Your teeth have a slightly yellowish natural hue, but when you over-bleach them, they can become gray. And at that point, the teeth will not respond as well to the bleaching process. So once you're satisfied with the color, stop the bleaching process and go to a maintenance schedule where you just touch up any areas that you would like. Before you start the whitening procedure, please check with your dentist whether or not you have cavities or not, because the bleaching process will make your teeth more sensitive if you already have cavities. Baby teeth are several shades whiter than adult teeth, and so maybe the reason why white teeth are beautiful is because it is a sign of youth. So these were 5 tips on how to retain your youth in your teeth. Make sure to subscribe, comment, like, and let me know what topic you would want me to cover next. Bye.